up next, we have a caller who wants to talk about Tata Steel, I think. All right, so Harsh has called in from Rajkot. Hi, Harsh. How can we help you? Okay, we don't have Harsh on the line with us anymore, but he says that he has 200 shares of Tata Steel, which he has bought at the rate of 350. So he's making a bit of a loss over there, and now wants to know whether he should retain his investment or he should sell it. So Ashu, we've seen a lot of negative news flow on Tata with respect to the union strike in the UK. In the latest, we understand now that perhaps the unions may not allow Tata Steel Europe to even sell their long products, which is, makes up 26% of their capacity. So in this backdrop, what would the advice be for a retail investor?
I think you rightly said, all news flow, even if you talk about fundamentals are bad, low realizations, falling margins, sluggish demand, global sluggish demand, everything put together is negative for the stock. But the only caveat or silver lining would be that it has been down and out since last, even if the market, when it was not correcting the stock, metals and particularly Tata Steel started correcting much before than the market correction. So it has probably come to a level where I feel that the risk reward would not be, obviously one has to take a call to exit this stock, but right now at this particular price with some stop loss, I would suggest to hold this stock and probably some more time. See, even if there are two types, one price wise, I feel that probably 90% correction has already taken place. Time wise, it might get into a long consolidation phase. So call would be whether to hold this stock. If you want to be in, then I would say suggest to hold this stock. Else, at an appropriate opportunity, one can shift to, some private bank or some high beta, because if the market reversal takes place, this could be an underperformer. So that is the whole equation as far as Tata Steel is concerned as of now.
Okay, Anshu, I didn't quite get that. You said private bank or high beta. Could you just elaborate a little bit?
Yeah, I said that if somebody gets an opportunity, because all said and done from 9,000 to 8,000 Nifty has already corrected. Most of the majority of the frontliners have also corrected. So I would suggest to get into some frontline stock, probably a private bank, shift from Tata Steel, where the returns could be better, or probably chances of making good the losses are much higher than being in Tata Steel.
Okay, fair.